student, in this video I will be teaching you chapter 15 of general knowledge. Okay, that is the grandeur of the northeast. Okay, in this chapter we will know about some famous cities of some states, and we will also know for which thing or for which quality are they famous. Okay, first one is Valley of the Gods, which is in Kullu. Next one, Scotland of the East, that is situated in Shillong. Third one, Tawang Monastery in Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth one, Chapchakut, which is situated in Mizoram. Pink City in Jaipur, and Floating National Park is in Bishnupur. We will also know for which thing or what are famous things about these places. So all of you open page number 18 in your GK book. First we will know about Valley of the Gods, which is situated in Kullu. Spelling you have to fill K-U-L-L-U. Okay. The Kullu Valley is also known as the Valley of the Gods or Devabhumi due to many pilgrimage sites for Hindus, Buddhists and Sikhs. Okay, Kullu is known for its open valley meadows and scenic views of the Himalayan mountain range. Okay, so students, you learned that Kullu Valley is famous because of so many temples are there of different religion. Okay. Next clue is given about Scotland of the East. It's situated in Shillong. Spelling is S-H-I-L-L-O-N-G. Together, Shillong. It is said that the rolling hills around the town reminded the British of Scotland. Okay, that's why they would also refer to it as the Scotland of the East. Okay, Shillong had steadily grown in size since it was made the civil station of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills in 1864 by the British. Okay, so students, you know that Scotland of the East is named because it reminded to the British about Scotland. Okay, because of the hills around the rolling hills around the town. Okay. Next is Tawang Monastery, which is situated in Tawang city in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, T-A-W-A-N-G, Tawang, C-I-T-Y, city, Arunachal Pradesh, A-R-U-N-A-C-H-A-L, Arunachal Pradesh, P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Okay, Tawang Monastery in Tawang city of Tawang district in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, is the largest monastery in India and second largest in the world after the Potala Palace in Lhasa, Tibet. Okay, the library of the monastery has valuable old scriptures. Okay, mainly Kangyur and Tanjore. So students, Tawang is famous because it is the largest monastery in India and second largest in the world after the Potala Palace. Okay. Next is Chapchakut, a festival which is celebrated in Mizoram. Spelling is M-I-Z-O-R-A-M. Okay. In India. It is celebrated during March after completion of their most arduous task of Jhum operation. Okay, Jhum means jungle clearing. Okay, after clearing the jungle for growing crops, they celebrate this festival. Okay, it is a spring festival celebrated with great fervor and gaiety. Next one is Pink City. We all know that Pink City is the other name of Jaipur. Today we will know why it is said Pink City. Okay. During the rule of Savai Ram Singh I, the city was painted pink to welcome Albert Edward, Prince of Wales, who became King Edward VII, Emperor of India in 1876. Okay, many of the avenues remained painted in pink, giving Jaipur a distinctive means special appearance and the epithet. Okay, Pink City. So, Pink City is colored or painted pink to welcome the king or former Prince Edward, Prince of Wales. Okay. See, last one, Floating National Park, which is situated in Bishnupur. Spelling is BISHNUPUR. Floating National Park is the world's renowned for being the only floating park. Okay. This park is 53 kilometers away from Imphal. Okay. In Bishnupur district of Manipur. Means it is situated in the state of Manipur and district is Bishnupur. Okay. Islands formed by mats of dense aquatic grass. As you can see, aquatic grass means grass which grow in water. As you can see in the picture. Okay. Aquatic grass gives it an appearance of floating on the lake. Okay. Means these floating grass gives appearance as if it is floating. Okay. The park is surrounded by marshes and hillocks. Okay. So students, today we learn about some famous grandeur of the northeast. They are Valley of the Gods in Kullu, Scotland of the East in Shillong, Tawang Monastery situated in Arunachal Pradesh, Chapcharkut festival which is celebrated in Mizoram, Pink City, Jaipur, and Floating National Park in Bishnupur. Okay. So students, we learned the strange things about them, why these things made these places famous. So revise this lesson. Thank you.